This week has delivered a major breakthrough in construction, with exceptional progress recorded on the compression ring. In just a few days, more work has been completed on this critical structure than in the past several months combined. The pace has significantly accelerated, with multiple elements advancing simultaneously, marking a turning point in the overall development of the stadium. At the south goal, workers on elevated platforms are carrying out precise tasks along the outer structural edge. Activity is concentrated around the connection between a recently installed surrounding structure and a main beam. Although visibility is limited, the work appears to involve inspection, alignment, or reinforcement at the joint where the structure integrates with the beam. The left side section of the south goal shows minimal recent changes. Previously installed lamellas remain in place, with 3 still pending installation. The piston structure is visible, but no new anchoring elements have been added yet. This area remains in a paused or preparatory phase. Along the lateral side, a new flange has been installed, connecting with an adjacent radial beam. This installation likely took place recently and represents continued progress in assembling the stadium's upper structural framework. Multiple platforms and workers are present, supporting alignment and fastening tasks. Significant progress is visible in the installation of black façade panels. Areas that were previously incomplete are now covered, and installation has extended into new sections. This development suggests a rapid advancement phase, particularly in zones designated for VIP areas, where panel coverage is nearing completion. Close-up views reveal fully secured flange connections with multiple bolts installed. The density of these connections highlights the structural reinforcement required at these junctions. Additional platform-based work is ongoing nearby, supporting fine adjustments and inspections. At the north goal, lamella installation is advancing steadily. Multiple units have already been installed, approaching the nearby structural pillar with a few remaining gaps. The sequence indicates consistent progress in enclosing this section of the stadium. Workers are actively treating structural beams using a white material. The process involves cleaning the surface and applying a coating, likely for protection or preparation before final painting. This treatment is being carried out across multiple beam sections. In the corner adjacent to the main stand, structural progress has accelerated significantly. Multiple beams have been installed in recent days, reducing earlier delays in this section. Crane operations and elevated platforms indicate continued assembly of the framework, particularly for elevator-related structures. Vertical support elements for lamella installation are now being added in the main stand area. These components are notably large, with significant height and spacing. Their installation marks a key step toward preparing the façade for lamella mounting. Ongoing work includes beam installation, interior adjustments, and movement of prefabricated seating elements. Workers are also applying surface treatments to beams, continuing the process seen in other sections. Crane operations support the placement of structural components at higher levels. Overall, steady progress continues across multiple sections of the stadium, with visible advancements in structural assembly, façade installation, and interior work. Each area is gradually coming together, bringing the stadium closer to its final form. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video and support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all the latest progress and upcoming developments.